beautiful.
Kitty likes the lollipop. I wonder how long she's gonna lick it. She's gonna finish it. Kelsey, you're not gonna eat this, are you? She's probably getting a whole bunch of cavities. Okay, take it away, Kelsey. No, stop. Just take it away.
Aww.
She's like, ooh. No, seriously. She's gonna get cavities.
No,
Annie,
no,
no
I
more.
wanted to eat the whole thing. I wanted to get a sugar high.
Oh my gosh, she's so mean. This can't be healthy.